for our channel Dig Ups. I'm Diganta
I'm Upasna.
and today we are in Vegas, and to watch more from this video please stay tuned. So this is the whole itinerary for the tour service, which will take us from Las Vegas to Arizona to the Great Grand Canyon, and we'll also have a chance to look at the Hoover Dam. So stay tuned. That's the famous Las Vegas sign. So that's like a signature when you visit Nevada, Las Vegas. People always come here and take a picture and look at the line.
The website, and all the money goes to various charities. The welcome letters are on silver dollars. We are the silver state, and we were once the world's leading producer of silver. And the star at the top represents we did the nuclear testing literally 60 miles away from here in the desert. So what would happen is, when the nuclear bombs were going to go off, most of the casinos at the time were 2 stories, and everybody would leave the tables to come out to the street to watch the nuclear bombs. So all the casino owners are standing there with empty casinos, and they said, you know, we got to figure this out. So that's when they invented outdoor gambling. So this way you can continue to lose your money and watch the bombs at the same time.
So we booked this trip from Comedy on Decks, and we actually went through the reviews and we found the best. It's a whole day trip. They will take you to the Hoover Dam and to the Grand Canyon, and they will have hiking. And the breakfast lunch is included if you go for the VIP package, and also the skywalk. I forgot to mention about it. So yeah, so that's a very good deal.
In the state of Nevada.
Hey everyone, we are now heading to the Hoover Dam. So let's check out what's in store for us.
Hoover Dam is a hydroelectric power plant nestled within the Black Canyon of the Colorado River. It was built during the tumultuous era of the Great Depression. This massive hydroelectric power plant construction was started in 1931 and was completed in 1936. The dam is a National Historic Landmark acclaimed by the American Society of the Civil Engineers among America's 7 modern civil engineering wonders. So that's the majestic Hoover Dam. Right behind me you can see the Colorado River, which separates the 2 states, Nevada and Arizona in the United States. Following the wonderful experience at the Hoover Dam, we proceeded directly to the west rim of the Grand Canyon in Arizona. We have the barcode to scan and we are in the line, so this is called the Terminal 1. So in the skywalk, all your cameras, phones are not allowed, but you can get some pics. There are photographers where you can pay like $50 and you can get all photos, or $25 for a single photo. I would say $50 because you would also get the scenic views. If you don't go for the skywalk by the side of it, you can directly come to the canyon and watch it. The Grand Canyon stands as a testament to the magnificent forces of the nature that have shaped our planets over millions of years. From the vantage points like Eagle Point and Gualo Point, visitors can marvel at the breathtaking panoramic views that stretch across the canyon's vast expanse. Native American tribes like the Hualapai, who have inhabited the region for generations, the West Rim holds profound spiritual and historical importance.
Let's go hiking.
We are going to the Guano Point, and let's see how the whole canyon looks. The beautiful Colorado River.
And the Grand Canyon.
The Grand Canyon. Look at her happiness. Guano Point hike.
Yeah, we had an amazing hike today.
Yeah, it's very tiny, but you just need to go downhill, then uphill, then it's not that tough. It's very easy. Yeah.
No, it's not that easy. Come on.
It's not that tough. I mean, there are two ways. Either you can take the easy way, or you can take the slightly difficult way. But in both the cases, you will enjoy the hike. So it's a big thumbs up if you come to Grand Canyon, the west side, and definitely do not miss to go for the Guano Point hike. That's it from this video. If you enjoy our videos, please do like and subscribe to our channel, and please share your comments below. Thank you so much for your time.